Today, we're heading out to explore some of Victoria's most unique spots, the bustling Dandenong area, the serene Wilson Botanic Park, and the relaxing Peninsula Hot Springs. From vibrant markets and colourful streets to lush mountain landscapes and soothing hot spring waters, this journey will give you a taste of culture, nature, and pure relaxation all in one adventure. The Dandenong area is one of Melbourne's most diverse and dynamic suburbs. The name Dandenong comes from the Woiwurrung Aboriginal language, thought to mean high mountains or lofty mountains, reflecting the nearby ranges that make the landscape so striking. The Dandenong area has long been a meeting point for different cultures. Originally inhabited by the Woiwurrung people, the region was prized for its fertile land, water sources, and easy access to Melbourne. Today, you can still sense that historical blend in the mix of architecture, community spaces, and local businesses that give the suburb its unique character. A key highlight of Dandenong is the Afghan Bazaar, a vibrant marketplace full of life and culture. Here, you can wander through rows of Afghan restaurants, jewelry shops, and halal food stores, all offering a taste of authentic Afghan cuisine and craftsmanship. The market is a favorite for locals and tourists alike, providing a truly immersive cultural experience. From spicy curries to sweet pastries, the bazaar is alive with colors, smells, and sounds that transport you straight to Central Asia, right here in Victoria. Whether you're grabbing a bite, shopping for unique treasures, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, the Afghan Bazaar is a hub of activity that showcases the rich cultural tapestry of Dandenong. Walking through the streets, you notice small cafes tucked between bustling shops, often serving freshly brewed Afghan tea or traditional pastries. The sounds of the bazaar are alive, chatter in multiple languages, the occasional call of shopkeepers, and the rhythmic music from local cafes. Besides shopping and dining, the bazaar is also a hub for community life. Locals gather here for social events, cultural festivals, and weekend markets. It's a perfect place to observe everyday life while learning about Afghan traditions and customs, all within the heart of Victoria. The surrounding streets of Dandenong are equally interesting. Murals and street art reflect the multicultural vibe, while parks and small plazas provide spots for families and children to enjoy quiet afternoons. Even a simple stroll here feels like a mini cultural journey, blending history, modern life, and vibrant traditions. Just a short drive away, the Dandenong Ranges rise gently from the valley, offering some of Victoria's most stunning landscapes. Towering forests of fern gullies, tall mountain ash trees, and winding roads make this area a paradise for nature lovers. Drone footage captures the full scale of the mountains, showing rolling green hills, scattered waterfalls, and the mist that often hugs the treetops in the early morning. These mountains are rich in history, once home to the Woiwurrung people, and later becoming a haven for timber and settlers in the 19th century. From above, the contrast between the vibrant green forests and the scattered towns below becomes clear, and the natural beauty of the region unfolds in a way that's almost impossible to capture from the ground. Drone shots also reveal the unique landscape patterns, a mix of cultivated farmland, dense natural forest, and scattered small settlements. You might spot kangaroos in open meadows or native birds weaving between the trees. The mountains offer more than just visual beauty, they are a sanctuary for hiking, photography, and short drives. Curved roads pass through tree-lined avenues, and each bend reveals a new view of rolling hills or a hidden waterfall. The Dandenong Ranges are an ever-changing canvas, with light and shadow constantly shifting, especially when captured by a drone in early morning or late afternoon. Next, we visit Wilson Botanic Park, located near Berwick. The park spans hundreds of hectares of beautifully maintained gardens, open lawns, and wooded areas. Drone shots give a full perspective of the park's size and layout, showing manicured gardens, winding pathways, and reflective ponds that create a peaceful sanctuary. The park is home to a wide variety of plants, including native Australian species and exotic trees from around the world. Visitors can explore large open spaces perfect for picnics, enjoy walking tracks that wind through dense forested areas, and take in the fresh air while observing local wildlife like birds and kangaroos. Wilson Botanic Park is also ideal for photography, with tree-lined avenues and open lawns creating perfect symmetry for shots from above. It's a serene spot where the pace slows down and the natural beauty of Victoria really comes to life. Wilson Botanic Park is a vast green oasis in the Berwick area. Drone footage emphasizes the park's size, showing expansive lawns dotted with clusters of trees, winding walking tracks, and reflective ponds. It's a space designed for both leisure and discovery, where families, joggers, and photographers share the natural environment. The park is home to over 100 species of native and exotic plants, including flowering shrubs, towering eucalyptus, and ornamental gardens. Seasonal changes transform the landscape, from spring blossoms to autumn's golden leaves, making every visit feel fresh and new. Birds, waterfowl, and even small marsupials are commonly seen wandering through the grounds. Walking trails are carefully designed to showcase the park's diversity. Paved paths connect open lawns to densely wooded areas, while bridges cross small streams and ponds. These scenic routes offer the perfect opportunity to slow down and appreciate the environment from both ground level and aerial perspectives. In addition to its natural beauty, the park also hosts community events, picnics, and outdoor classes, making it a central hub for recreation. From above, the drone captures the park's integration with surrounding Berwick, showing how green space coexists harmoniously with suburban life. It's a perfect combination of urban accessibility and natural serenity. To end the day, we visit Peninsula Hot Springs, one of Victoria's most relaxing retreats. Nestled in the hills, the hot springs are perfect for unwinding after a day of exploration. Here, you can soak in thermal mineral pools, enjoy hot saunas, steam rooms, cold plunge baths, and private bathing areas. As the sun sets, the pools reflect the warm light, creating a peaceful atmosphere. At night, the hot springs take on a magical feel, with ambient lighting and the sound of water flowing everywhere. From the top viewing areas, you can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, stretching all the way to Melbourne. The combination of warmth, quiet, and beautiful scenery makes it the perfect place to relax, meditate, or simply enjoy nature's serenity. Peninsula Hot Springs is one of Victoria's ultimate relaxation destinations. The pools are filled with naturally heated mineral water, providing therapeutic benefits that draw visitors from all over. The layout reveals a series of terraces, pools, and private baths scattered across gently sloping hills, all framed by surrounding bushland. Visitors can enjoy a variety of experiences: warm soaking pools, private baths for couples or families, hot saunas, steam rooms, cold plunge baths, and meditation spaces. Each area is designed to complement the natural surroundings, offering panoramic views of the rolling hills and coastal landscapes. As the sun sets, the thermal pools glow under soft lighting, and the distant sound of water flowing over rock features adds to the calming atmosphere. At night, the hot springs take on a magical quality, with the sky reflected in the pools, creating a sense of floating above the land. For those staying late, the top-level pools provide incredible views over the Mornington Peninsula, stretching toward Melbourne in the distance. People often pause here to watch the sun dip below the horizon while soaking, creating a moment of total relaxation. Whether visiting for a few hours or spending the night, the hot springs offer a full sensory experience of warmth, water, and nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Dandenong, Wilson Botanic Park, and Peninsula Hot Springs. From lively markets to mountain landscapes, serene gardens, and soothing hot springs, Victoria offers a little something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel for more adventures.